learn about your feelings. Happy, سعيد. Sarah is happy. سارة سعيدة. Sad, حزين. Adam is sad. Adam حزين. Calm. Mona is calm. منى هادئة. Angry, غاضب. Luna is angry. لونا غاضبة. مندهش, surprised. Sammy is surprised. سامي مندهش. خائف, scared. ليلى is scared. ليلى خائفة. Shy, خجول. Lena is shy. Lena خجولة. متحمس, excited. Leo is excited. Let's have a quiz. What is this feeling? Excited or surprised? Surprised. Very good. What is this feeling? Angry or happy? Angry. That's great. What is this feeling? Sad or calm? Calm. Very cool. What is this feeling? Shy or sad? Sad. Excellent. What is this feeling? Scared or excited? Scared. That's great. Well done. What is this feeling? Calm or happy? Happy you are, Romina. Thank you for watching Tiny Tales. Please like, share, and subscribe.